Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna unbox this Noise Barrel from Noise company, that's Bluetooth headphones. So as I said the last video that I'm gonna unbox this thing, so I bought this thing. If you wanna watch the previous video that I have unboxed Noise shot, so the link will be in the description so that you can go check it out. So guys, please subscribe it and just hit the bell notification button so that you can get the related video of my channel. So let's get started, guys. This is a pretty beautiful headphones that's shown in the picture, so let's get started inside. So before going, let's see the overview of the box. So it's capable with all Bluetooth devices, wireless connection, noise cancellation, foldable headband design. So it's foldable, and the chipset is Oppo Tech 6691D version 4.2. Wireless range is 10 meters, frequency response 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Speaker diameter is 40 mm, playtime or talking time is up to 6 hours, standby time is up to 50 hours, battery capacity is 180 mAh, and yes, the charging time is 2 to 3 hours, guys. So this is nice. Okay, so going to the package contents, guys: one Bluetooth headphones, one USB charging cable, and yes, one user manual. I'm very sorry for that. Okay, we're gonna get into the box. So before I'm gonna getting back inside the box, I'm gonna say the price. So it's of 3,499 rupees in India. So I've got it for 1,500, guys, due to the Black Friday sale that was held the last time. Oh yeah. So guys, this is the user manual from the Noise Barrel. So at the bottom of this thing is two things, that is one USB aux cable that was not informed in the box contains, so I'm going to keep it aside. So this one is the charging cable for your headphones, so this was mentioned in the package contains, so keep it aside. So here is the beautiful headphones from Noise. So this is also foldable, and yes guys, you might be thinking what's the texture of this thing, right? So this is a black matte, so obviously I like black matte. It gives a premium look and design also. So everything is black matte right here, guys. So going for the leather texture, that's guys also nice, crazy. So it's flexible also, it's extendable. Yep, it's extendable from here. So yes, as I say, it's 40 mm diameter of the speakers. So we're gonna check it in the next video, guys. I'm gonna review it soon. So here is the Bluetooth setting to here. If you want to turn it on, I'm gonna turn it on for you guys now. Okay. So did you hear this sound that says power on? So the blue light blinking over here, that shows that your device, this Bluetooth headphones is ready to pair. So if you want to switch it back off, so the red light. So this is the place where you click into your aux cable, guys. You can if you lose any charge or something, you just need this aux cable so that you can just plug in and play. So this is the USB charging port where you just need to plug in and charge, so volume up and down. So yes guys, this is really comfortable, I guess, because I didn't wear this, so I'm gonna review in the this thing in the next video. So I'm gonna tell you like how many hours can you wear this Bluetooth headphones if you would like to, because a lot of people who likes music, they obviously go for a long time wearing headphones or earphones, so they really enjoy music through it. So that will be my job that I'm gonna review it soon for you guys. So yeah, hope the size fits for me. And yes guys, this is the unboxing right here. I've done. So the aux cable that wasn't mentioned in the the product contents was here, and this one, as I mentioned, this is a USB cable with which you get in the box. So the user manual. So everything is right here, guys. So this is our unboxing video. So the next video will be of unboxing unknown IDK. I don't know which I'm gonna unbox, but I'm gonna unbox it soon. But yes guys, there's a lot of reviews to do, so I'm gonna review the noise shots and obviously the noise barrel here. So just before going to another video, I'm gonna say you just need to subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna put every video that I buy, like, because all the tech videos that you guys really like it. So hit the bell notification button so that you can see my latest video. And yes, please subscribe it. And yes, if you want to share, please share guys, because that's the only way you can show us the support, by subscribing, sharing and liking. And yes guys, as I said, next video, the review of noise shots. So if you want to see my unboxing of noise shots, that'll be in the description below. So yes guys, hope you have a nice day guys. See you later.